Eat fresh fish and Hokkaido crab. Nanda is a seafood buffet restaurant located in Susukino. It's a large dining hall with lots of space, enabling you to move around freely between tables, so it's a great place for large groups. Hokkaido seafood and fresh fish from Japan is famous all over the world, especially its crab, where you will eat in abundance here. There are three kinds of crabs usually eaten in Hokkaido: tarabagani or king crab, matsubagani or suwaigani, queen or snow crab. It's bright orange and has been pre-boiled, so it is fine to eat it straight off the counter. And kigani, the horsehair crab. At Nanda, the seafood buffet is self-service and cooked at your own table with a grill in the center. You are given 90 minutes to finish your seafood buffet with no leftovers.